This video is to help you program your universal garage door wireless keypad by Chamberlain. All right, the first thing you're going to want to do is check out the directions page in box number 2 here. You're going to find all the makes and models that this keypad works for. You need to find your make and model and find the ID that goes with it. I'm working with a Chamberlain. That means the ID is going to be number 2. Now that I have the ID from the directions, it's time to program our keypad. What we're going to do is put your finger on the star and the pound and hold it until it stops flashing. Then you're going to enter in a 4-digit code of your choosing and press pound. And then you're going to enter that ID in you got from the direction and press pound as well. Next, you're going to come to your garage door opener. And on the side of it, you will see a learn button. You're just going to press that learn button. After pressing the learn button, you'll come back to the wireless keypad, type in your code, and then press 0. All right, now to test, we're going to click our code and then hit 0. You should hear your garage door working. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.